Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for stopping by. Today I will teach you how to create an AI talking image, so yeah, let's get to it.
So you guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make this talking AI avatar, and the first thing we are going to do is to use an app called Vibo. Okay, you can do it on any device of your choice, whether it's your laptop or your phones, whether it's an Android phone or an iPhone, sorry. Okay, so first thing is to download the app in your phone. It's called Vibo, and once you do that, just go ahead to open the app. And then when you open the app, you are going to see different kind of images or pictures that you can actually go ahead and pick from. Okay, there are so many pictures, so many kind of pictures in the app that you can actually choose from. But if you do not have a choice there, you can actually also use an image of yourself, or you can actually use a generated or a created AI image, okay, which I am going to be using for this demonstration. So once you do not find the image that you like to use, or you want to use an image that is in your gallery, just go to upload image, select the image of your choice, and then it is going to load. If you also want me to show you how to make an AI image, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so once that is done, the image is going to upload into the app like this. Okay, and then you can go ahead and type in a text, whatever you want the image to say. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to say like an introduction, because this is what I actually used for the introduction of this video. So I am going to actually type whatever I want the image to say in my introduction, but plainly I just went ahead to be like, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for stopping by. Okay, today I'll teach you how to make an AI talking image, blah blah blah, and all of that. Okay, so once I do that, I am going to go back and continue showing you what to do. But basically here you just want to type what you want the image to actually talk about. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. I actually lost the audio of this recording. I actually did an audio recording for this while I was making the video, but I lost the audio, so I had to do a voiceover, which you can hear now. Okay, so but basically that's just it. Just type whatever you want the image to say and you are good to go. So once that is done, the next step is to go ahead and choose a voiceover. Now in this app there are different kind of voice that you can use. It also has different kind of languages. They have Chinese, they have North America, okay, they have South America, they have male voice, they have female voice, they have any kind of voice that you can go ahead to use. Also for the voices, they have different types of voice. You have the ones that are loud, you have the ones that are low, the ones that are slow, the ones that are fast, that kind of thing. So I just went ahead to select like the voice that I like. Okay, once that is done, you can actually go ahead to listen to it to know if it's something that you would like, which is basically what I'm doing here. But because we lost the audio of this, we won't be able to hear it. But you guys, if you want me to do another one for you so that you can hear the audio for yourself, in the app as it works, just let me know also in the comments section. Okay, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please do well to join the family by clicking the bell button below that says subscribe, and join the family. Like this video, share it with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from this video. Okay, so I am just going to pick or select the voice that I like, and I would go ahead to continue making this video for you. Okay, so you want to be patient like with this app. I know that most people use Canva and some other app, but I think I find this one very, very easy. It is super easy to use, and you don't really need all those many knowledge about AI and all of that. So once I select my voice type that I would like, or the voiceover that I would like for this image, I will just go ahead and click done, and you see that it will be loading. Now this is the loading process. They're actually generating the video for you where the image will start talking. Okay, so and this is going to take a while, and especially when it gets to like 98%, guys, you have to be super patient, because it will look like this is the time you spend doing the entire video, is the time you spend waiting for it to get to 100 from 98%. Like, it can be a lot of wait. Okay, but of course patience is virtue. You can just go ahead and wait, or you can go ahead and be doing other things while it is loading. But I had to wait because of course I need to do this video for you and I need to, you know, be patient to be able to, you know, do the video. So but once it's done, you are going to see it showing 100%, and then it will start playing whatever you have written in the text for the image to play, just like what it is here. Once that is done, just go ahead to save it to your album so that it can be saved in your gallery. Okay, so yeah, this is basically it. You are done and you just made an AI talking image. Let me know if this was helpful to you in the comments. Okay, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget.
Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you gained something from it, and if you want me to show you how to make AI images from scratch, then check my description box. A link to that video will be there. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.